Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Toyota HiLux SR dual cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5696. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, factory bull bar with all bolts and brackets. Does have some damage in the front, still usable. Right hand headlight, left hand headlight. Left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Bonnet has no damage. Left hand power door mirror. Left rear front door has no damage. Left rear door has no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door no damage. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.